Hey everyone, Pentair Triton 2 sand filter here. I'm going to show y'all how to backwash it. You can see from the gauge here, it's pretty high. It normally sits around 16 PSI, so it's close to 30. Really, I try to backwash this thing once a week or so. I find that it filters best that way. But if it's 5 to 10 PSI higher than normal, definitely backwash it. So we'll just flip the filter off, come here, and we will spin this over to backwash. And we will just flip it on. And you can see it running through this eyesight right here. You can see it starts to get dark, powdery looking. You're just going to run this until it starts to look pretty clear again. It's never going to be completely clear with these things, but it's going to look a lot better than that. So that might take a minute or so, we'll come right back. All right, so it's looking a lot clearer for me. So we're going to go ahead and cut the filter back off, and we're going to rotate this over to the rinse position. And we're just going to run it for about 20 more seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, and we'll be done. All right, that finished up. After about 30 seconds, I shut it off. It flipped it back to filter, turned it back on. You can see our PSI is right around 17 right now, so the pump is running efficiently now. So do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.